Good Friday was the ultimate day of darkness for Jesus. It was certainly his darkest hour. After the Last Supper, he went out with his disciples and prayed, and then he was arrested, and his disciples fled. He was put on trial, and while he was on trial with the Sanhedrin, one of his closest disciples, Peter, betrayed him. He was beaten. He was spit upon. He was humiliated. He was brought before a crowd by Pilate, and the crowd asked for his death, asked for his crucifixion, and finally Pilate gave in. Jesus was then required to carry his cross, carry his own cross, before he was brutally nailed to it and crucified, and then he suffered death. And so this was certainly a dark day for Jesus. But at exactly the same time, this was Jesus and God's moment of vindication, of triumph. This was Jesus' moment of triumph over sin, triumph over death. On Good Friday, the darkness of death gives way to the light of the resurrection. And in that, there is hope for all of us.